The lot of mistake you should avoid as a new YouTuber, or let me say you've been a YouTuber for about 6 months ago or a year ago. When you get your audience, they will get your channel monetized for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing fine. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to my wonderful channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can get your channel started in 2025 and the mistakes you should avoid if you are willing to grow on YouTube. Assuming this is my first time starting YouTube channel, oh my god, it could have been more better and it's not too late, right? So in today's video, I'll be sharing a lot of things with you guys as a new YouTuber. If you are a new YouTuber, go and get a jotter and your pen so that you can get one or two things from today's video, because I know you are going to get many of it in today's video. Now let's talk about how to start a channel in 2025. To get a YouTube channel, you surely need an email or your Gmail account. Then you are now a YouTuber. You can start uploading your video as you want. But before you upload your video, pause it, know one or two things, and let's go to number two. The second thing I would like that you should get ready is your equipment, which is your phone or your iPhone. You can go on and use your iPhone if you have one, your tripod, your microphone, and you are ready. And the important thing of your equipment is to get your editing app ready. There are lots of editing app you can use as a beginner. I'll suggest you should go on with Almighty CapCut. Yeah, it's so easy and it's beginner friendly. For your editing, go on with CapCut or your video maker. For thumbnail, go on with Canva. If you haven't watched my video on how to do thumbnail, on how to make thumbnail, scroll down or I'll put it in the description for you to know how to make good thumbnails. All right, after getting your email ready, after getting your equipment ready, the next thing you usually get ready is your script. You have to script down as a YouTuber, especially if your video is all about tutorial or an educational video. You should script down for you not to forget what you want to teach us. So you should get everything scripted down before you start filming at all. Then the next thing is for you to start filming. Film and post your video. Now, after you've got your email ready, after you've got your equipment ready, and you've scripted down your video, you've uploaded your video, right? You're not a YouTuber. The lot of mistake you should avoid as a new YouTuber, or let me say you've been a YouTuber for about 6 months ago or a year ago. The lot of things you should avoid as a new YouTuber. The first mistake you should avoid as a new YouTuber is you boosting your videos. Boosting a YouTube video is nice, but it can damage your video because you can only get the visibility you want at that moment. After that, you won't get more views anymore unless you boost it again. Then you should now tell me how many times you want to boost your video before you get monetized. A lot of people think after you get monetized, oh, I'm going to get all the money back from YouTube. I'll advise you to take it slowly. Try to build yourself first. Don't try to boost your video. It will damage your channel. The second mistake you should avoid as a YouTuber is you joining a YouTube group. A YouTube group is good, but do not try to join it when you just open your channel. Let me say you just got your first 100 subscribers and you're planning to go and join a YouTube group because you want to push your channel, like you want to push your 4,000 watch hours, you want to push your 1,000 watch hours. Because to get monetized on YouTube, you surely need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours is a lot. Trust me, if you can try your effort to get your first 2,000 watch hours on YouTube by yourself, I can kind of support you to go and join YouTube group. But do not join when you new upload your video because I don't know when you're going to stop pushing it. This is the fourth mistake you should not try to make as a new YouTuber. Do not rush to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hours because of monetization. By going for sub, watch me, let me watch you. I promise you, you are destroying your channel. Sincerely speaking, you are destroying your channel because a lot of people you are doing sub with will never watch your video. One thing you guys don't know is that after you upload a video, YouTube will surely first of all recommend your video to your subscriber first. Then it will determine if YouTube will suggest it to new audience. I talked to YouTube recently about low views. The lot of things they share with me. You should be expecting that video very soon on my channel. I'm going to bring out our charts and everything they sent to me from YouTube about low views recently on YouTube. Then the fourth mistake you should not try to make as a new YouTuber is for you to be relying on big YouTuber. Okay, I've done that. A lot of new YouTubers did this. Like when you upload your video, you be like, "Oh, I've been watching this person for how many years now? So when I talk to them about my new YouTube, they're going to help me. They're going to boost me. They're going to promote my video on the channel. They're going to talk about me." There's one English in pidgin says they play. Like they play. YouTube not easy or more they play. See, YouTube is not easy. Sincerely speaking, YouTube is not easy. If you had that at the back of your mind as a new YouTuber, please erase it, clean it right now, like sweep it away. It can never work. When I started my first YouTube, I had a lot of YouTubers that I'm watching. Although I didn't reach out to them, I thought they're going to, they're going to automatically see my video when I mention their name. So I tried to contact them. They will never help you, even help those who help themselves. So you have to help yourself by trying to be consistent on what you are doing, by trying to upload video frequently, by trying to bring out good content, by trying to bring out what you know people can learn from your videos, by trying to give your audience good videos. Your big YouTuber can never help you to build your channel. You have to put on your hard work, you have to put on your energy and build your channel by yourself. All right, let's go to the fifth mistake you should not make as a YouTuber. The fifth mistake you should not make as a new YouTuber is try to worry about your niche. You're a new YouTuber, right? You just opened your YouTube channel 6 months ago, 1 year ago. You haven't got your niche, right? You can contact me, we can talk about it. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to, if you want us to rub mind together to find your niche, we can do that together, right? Don't be panic about your niche unless your niche is about tutorial videos or educational videos, traveling videos, something like that. But if you are not on educational video, tutorial video, traveling video, and you haven't got your niche, trust me, you can contact me, we can talk about it. All right, the sixth mistake you should not make as a new YouTuber is you trying to upload a very long video because of 4,000 watch hours. No, you don't need to do that. Don't try it. Don't try to upload a very long video. You just started your YouTube channel. You haven't get audience. When you get your audience, then you can upload your 15 minutes video, 20 minutes video, 30-minute video. When your audience enjoy what you are doing, then they're surely going to watch you. But as a new YouTuber, try to make your video short, try to make your video not so long, and let it be good for your viewers to watch. The seventh mistake, which is my last topic on this video that I will talk about, as I said in the beginning of this video, find your audience before you find your monetization. Try to find your audience first before monetization. Trust me, if you find your audience first, they will get your channel monetized. Sincerely speaking, a lot of YouTubers always trying to get monetized before they find their audience. Same with me, I've done that on my main channel. Let's talk about my main channel because that channel have taught me a lot. I'm still running the channel, but it has taught me a lot of things about YouTube. Do not try to find monetization before you find your audience. Find your audience first, then monetization. Because when you get monetized, your audience will be the one to be letting you cash out on YouTube. After you got monetized, they are the people that will try to be watching your video to be getting money. Because imagine you get monetized by pushing your videos, by promoting your videos, by going for stuff, by trying to join group, by trying to join everything just for you to get monetized. And after you've got monetized, you're having 20 views. You are not going to make a dime. You're not going to make anything. Try to find your audience before you get monetization. When you get your audience, then you can be cashing out on YouTube after monetization. I know it can take forever before you get monetized, but try to put energy to get your audience first. Because monetization, especially 4,000 watch hours, sincerely speaking, to get 1,000 subscribers is so fast, but to get the 4,000 watch hours can take forever. But it's worth it if you can try to get your audience first before you get monetized. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you pick one or two things. I hope this video really helped you as a new YouTuber or already been a YouTuber. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can help me to share it out so that it can get to a lot of new YouTubers. Bye.